Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I have tried to declutter. I've tried to do declutter videos. Nothing's working for me right now. So, I was like, well, everybody's ranking their palettes, right? Well, what I figured I would do, what I'm going to do, is I'm going to actually go through one brand at a time and declutter. So we're going to start with Huda Beauty palettes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 Huda Beauty palettes. Do I use them all? Absolutely not. So here's like the first one. I never touch it. It's just going to go in a declutter. So it's like, it's the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions. It's not my thing. It's not my color story. It's just not my thing. I am going to hang on to the Coral Obsessions. Although it doesn't look like I've used it much, but I do like it. This is the Mauve Obsessions. I'm going to hang on to that as well. This is the Warm Brown Obsessions. I'm going to hang on to this one as well. This one is the Smoky Obsessions. I'm going to hang on to this one as well. Now, let's get into the colors. So, here's the Ruby Obsessions. Don't use it, don't like it. It's just too much. I really like the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette better than that. I'm not really a fan of this green. I love green. Everybody knows I love green. But I'm not a fan of this palette either. This is the Emerald Obsessions. And then, actually, I really enjoy this one. This is the Topaz Obsessions. I have previously gotten rid of the purple one. And I don't think I ever had the blue one. But then I bought this Nude Rich palette. I've really not given it a chance. We're probably going to work on this today. Because the palettes that I'm keeping, I'm actually going to do a look with and see, do I really want to keep them? So, all of those, I know, I don't even want to do a look. It doesn't even interest me. But we're going to do a look with our bigger palettes. So, I have the Desert Dusk palette. I have the Nude palette. I have the Rose Gold palette. This is the newer one. Yeah, this is the remastered one. I have the original Rose Gold, so I should just get rid of it, right? I should just give that away to somebody. I mean, yeah, everybody complained about the formula. I didn't think it was bad, but I'd rather pass it along. So that leaves us with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 palettes. We got rid of 4 just going through them. And, yeah, so now we're going to do a little look. I'm going to hop off of here, quickly do my face, and then I will be back and we'll do the eye look. Yay! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today, we are going to do part 2 with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. Yes, I have the same thing on that I had on in part 1 because I'm filming multiple. So, yeah, my face is already done. I still have the Huda product on. Oh, my dishwasher is singing to me. I always forget that it does that. Okay, so, yeah. We're going to dive into this. We're going to prep my eyes with something. I'm going to find something. You know, all the stuff I'm trying to use up. Okay. It's the Anastasia eye primer. I'm going to put a little bit of that on. And go from there. Yeah. So far, it hadn't been good for Huda. Huda, you're not doing so good. You're getting massacred. Okay, guys and gals. Let me just do a little. Okay. Alright. So we're going to dive into this and see. So this one I probably liked more than mostly any of them. So I'll give you a little. Sorry, I was checking to make sure the camera was on. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I like it. I think I like it. That's what I said in the other video. I like it. No, you don't. Alright. We're going to have at this. Alright, so we're going to put this color, oops, sorry. We're going to put this color in the middle, the center here, in our crease. And go to town. It's not looking like I want it to look. I did clean my brush. Alright. Now I'm going to go into this shade right here, this yellow, orangish yellow, and try to start to blend that out. It's not very pigmented. Just blending it away. It's funny, I got these palettes, it was probably early in my collection. And now I'm like, yeah. Now that I've bought palettes like Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath and things like that, I'm just like, I guess for what I was trying to do then, it worked. I liked it. Alright, I don't want to go too dark because I don't want to be, I just want to go light on this. So, it's weird, like, these two shades are almost identical to me. Like, what are you doing to me, Huda? Well, let's see. Let's see what you're doing to me. It's okay. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about this. And I have to be cutthroat because I have way too much stuff. Like the mattes are just not performing. Not the way I want them to. Not at all. Maybe this is gonna work. Okay. We'll blend that out a little bit with our other brush. Let's see. Smooth it out some. No, we don't have to be so perfect. Perfect. Oh, I meant to tell you guys. So, I'm so busy at work now. And it's just different. It's not that it's hard, it's just different. And so I got some of like the HelloFresh meals, and I did HelloFresh, I did Home Chef, And then the Martha Stewart one is called Martha and Marley. OMG. Life-changing. Life-changing. I'm going into this shade right here. And put that in as in my inner quarter of my eye. See, it doesn't. It ain't hanging. Sorry, Huda. This one's going in the trash too. It's kind of funny because I'm like, this was probably the most favorite one I had. Poor Huda. But yeah, so these meals, I got like 2 from each one, you know, for the week. Oh my God, they're so fabulous, and they're just, I don't, a word's a statement for how to describe. They're just, if you're really busy and you don't have time to like do the grocery shopping, plan, all that. I love to cook. I absolutely love to cook. I don't have any time to plan. I'm still cooking. The ingredients are just bought from me, and most of them are already cut. It's amazing. Amazing. Amazing, I tell you. All right. Okay. Let's see if we can't find some more mascara. Just to put a little bit more on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start a big bag of to go. It doesn't look bad. It's just I have so much like this that are better. All right, everybody. So this is our look with the Topaz Obsessions. Yeah, I think that it's, I'll put a little lipstick or a little gloss on, see if it helps, but I know it won't. All right. What do you think? It's gonna go. It's gonna have to go. So, see what happens next time. All right, everybody. I love you guys so much. Mwah.